everyone, today we have something very special for you to talk about. These are deviled eggs. Now, everybody has their version of how they do deviled eggs. Both of my grandmothers did them differently. My sister, my mother, our chef, we do them differently now. Our deviled eggs, as you can see, are not your traditional deviled eggs, and the reason why we do that is because, we want to give you a little something extra. So with these types of garnishes, it just builds the flavors of, you take a traditional deviled egg, which is already by itself is amazing. How do you make a great product better? Well, you put some cool stuff on it. What we've done today is that we've added, there's a little bit of smoked paprika, which of course is a traditional garnish, but we took it a little step further. So there's a little bit of furikake, which is it's a combination of nori, which is dried seaweed. There's some toasted sesame seed and salt and sugar, just a little pinch of that, just to really kind of light these things up. Then at the very end of it, we garnish it with these nice little fresh sweet chives, which I love to do. Green onion, you can do green onion, you can do, some people like to do dill, but really the guts of the egg itself literally is that wonderful filling. So what we do, obviously the eggs are boiled, we take out the centers, and then we mix them with our proprietary seasoning. You get this nice little creamy center. You want something, as you can see the texture here, they're not falling apart, right? So they're staying nice and kind of firm. All those things are what make a great deviled egg, because a lot of people will say, oh, it's just a deviled egg. There's nothing just about deviled eggs, hopefully as you know. So hope you enjoy.